Ward 109. Size sizosupporta i-community where young people are being marginalized kuma-processes ayenzakalayo emphakathini. There are projects akhona emphakathini. There's a project ye-Wi-Fi ekhona and is alleged that ukhansela u-appointile abantu bakhe aqashana ababodwa without even announcing the project to the community. So namhlanje bekumele iqala i-project ayisaqalanga because basema bafika ku-side camp bathola ukuthi umphakathi sewulapho ulinde bona. They want answers, and then they chose ukuthi bahambe bashiye umphakathi without even addressing them. So we had to intervene as Umkhonto weSizwe to try and come and support the community, more especially because majority of the people who are there are young people, which is the constituency that I lead as a youth leader. So into eyenzakalayo emphakathi ukuthi kumele sibambisane nomphakathi. These things ezenzakalayo ama-project anga-announce emphakathini, ama-project where they even said ukuthi some of the members abathola ama-tender, they are saying that these projects are ANC projects. If you are not an ANC member, you don't get hired, you don't get to sub, you don't get any contract from that project, which is totally wrong. Once you become a councillor or once you become a public representative, you account to everyone. So you are responsible for all political parties within your space. As Umkhonto weSizwe was saying, we're not interested in the project, but we want the community to work. We want young people to get employed. We are having issues of unemployment. Young people are smoking drugs, they're drinking alcohol. That's what they get to do with their spare time because there is no jobs. Please make sure that whatever project aphumayo emphakathini siyabafaka abantu abasha. I hope no councillor lo esize ngaye bazokhansela amathole get to see this, to understand ukuthi the frustrations of the community awabi kahle mawulokhu babaleka. As a councillor, you must be able to account to your people. If there's nothing to hide, come and address the community, not ukuthi ubaleke bashiye babodwa. Community have to rove around the township bafunana no-councillor. Oh, councillor wabo today is failing to even account to them. So we're saying we was in full support of the community of 109 and 26 to fight for what's rightfully theirs. There's no project that can come in your area where you live and then people from there don't get involved. Put young people forward, put the community forward because they are the ones who voted for you. Mandla!